Hello everyone. Good morning. Is my voice heard?
Hello.
Is my voice heard?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Tiki Arfiansa. You can call me Tiki. And welcome on the SpongeBob team. I asked a moderator in this session about introduction yourself. For saving times, I just start for Zila. Zila, please tell your about self.
Okay, thank you, Diki.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing, my name is Nur Fazila. You can call me Zila, not Jila. I'm from. I was born in Pindang on 5 November 2002, and this year I am 21 years old. I also come from North Kalimantan. I live in Gunung Sari village on Durian Street. My weight is 43 kilograms and my height about 147 centimeter. Short is it. I'm alumni of SMK Negeri 2 Tanjung Selor. Now I'm student in Politeknik Elektronika Negeri Surabaya. The duration I took this major because it was in line with my major when I was in vocational high school, namely computer and network engineering. And my hobby is reading, rewriting story, and listening to K-pop music. I like to read when I was 15. Over time, I also like to be write. So I can create a story and upload it to my Wattpad account to read of the viewers. But literally this month, I prefer to listen to K-pop music, especially the song and call Boy with Love. Will a K-pop fandom is ARMY. My best is Jimin because Jimin is very good among the others member. I prefer foods that have soup, has meatballs, soto, and tom yum. What is more used chili sauce tasting much more delicious. And then is asked what is my motto. The answer is the line of the listening has been determined. When we do something but fail, do not be scared. Keep the spirit and try again to the point what you can of this. Thank you.
Okay, that's good. Next in the Panji. Panji, please tell your about self.
Okay, thank you, Diki. I will tell about myself. Okay, hello. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Panji Fatroni. You can call me Panji. I am 17 years old, and I'm currently studying at Vocational High School 7 Semarang, majoring in Network Information System and Application. I was born in Jakarta, November 25th, 2004. I live in Semarang, on Lumbung Sari Raya Street, number 24, Kalicari Village, Peturungan District, Semarang City, Central Java. I have lived in Semarang for 11 years. I am the eldest of 3 siblings. My first brother name is Muhammad Hilman Saifullah. He is 16 years old. He is currently in second grade of Vocational High School. My second sister name is Nina Anindya Maheswari. She is 10 years old. She is currently in 5th grade of elementary school. My father's name is Pratarsana. He is an entrepreneur. My mother's name is Uminila Sari. She is a housewife.
It seems out of
And
participant
I will tell you about my
quite
school
disconnected.
experience.
So maybe you can move on for
When I was in
with the
elementary
next
school,
participant.
I studied at Islamic Village Elementary School in Karawaci in the first grade. Then when I was in the second grade, I moved to the Primadana Islamic Elementary School in Semarang until I graduate. Then I continued at Junior High School 3 Semarang. After graduating in junior high school, I continued at Vocational High School 7 Semarang. At Vocational High School Semarang, I chose for Department of Network Information System and Application. And now I'm currently running an internship program at Syameo Kitab Insayan in Bandung. Okay, I think that's enough from me. Thank you.
Okay, Panji, can you tell my favorite food? Please.
My favorite food. Okay. My favorite food is fried rice and fried chicken.
Okay. Why? Why you like this fried chicken and apa? What for?
Fried rice. Fried rice.
Why you like?
Because I think fried rice and fried chicken is delicious. I can eat them every day.
Okay. Thank you, Panji. Next, Reza,
Okay.
please tell about yourself.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
My name is Muhammad Widianto.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
My name is Muhammad Reza Rizky Rahman, born in Bandung, 1 December 2003. Born in Bandung to grade 4 elementary school in Bandung, then moved to Tasikmalaya to vocational high school. My house is close to the beach, about 30 minutes can go to the beach by motorbike. And I go to school SMKN Bantar Kalong, majoring in software engineering, because I really like to fly in front of the computer or in cyberspace. After school, I continue my internship at Syameo Kitab Insayan Bandung for 12 months or 1 year. Until now, I have a internship for 3 months in Bandung starting on 13/2022. I also want to tell a little about my experience in marketing, which become my motivation. That experience and the relationship with someone is important.
We still have some minutes if you want to continue your story.
I went to
If that's
Alfamart
fine with you,
to
I
buy
can go to another person first.
the door. When I came out, I purposely want to finish my food first on the spot, then in front of me. There were 2 tables to just finish my food. On the right, then wearing a white shirt, carrying a backpack with his eyes in the front of computer.
Hello, my name is Firdan
Parking
Saputra.
attendant in simple
I
clothes.
was born on Oktober 2024 di Indonesia.
Then I walked. Suddenly, my body turned to the left to meet parking attendant who was drinking coffee.
My house is
Sat next to him while opening the food. I bowed after sat down. The parking attendant, what is your name?
I have free
Bird,
time
Reza. And we also talk about family, work, and after talking, finally, one of the that this man is a famous person in the area. He is a party politician and he also offered to help in case of difficulties where I live. So that's the story. So I think it's very important to add relationship. By the way, my hobby is playing competitive online game. Who don't like playing online or offline games? For the games that I play on my cell phone, namely the Mobile Legend Bang Bang, it's for the what's on my cell phone, and there are other like game on my PC or laptop that I play, namely FPS games such as Point Blank, Valorant, CS:GO, which is a genre of weapon-based combat. I play games since I was little when I still like to play internet cafe. I used to spend 6 hours just playing game because in game. Besides playing games, I also have a favorite food, namely sweet tempe orek made by my beloved mother. Why you can you orek tempe? Because I like sweet food since childhood, such as pastries or chocolate brownies. Do you know? My mom is good at making chocolate brownies. And can he come to my house, try my mother brownie cake? When I was little, I used to eat 2 or 3 servings of chocolate brownies once for a week because my mother really likes sponge cake. So that it's from me. Thank you for listening to my story. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Reza, I have any question? You tell about you like
Can you continue your story?
playing game.
You'll have
Any question? My question is, you which you like game in the handphone, HP, or in the PC?
Handphone
Yes, yes.
and PC
Okay. Why? Why you like game in the PC or in the handphone?
Putus suaranya.
because I can
And that's all for me. That's all for me. And
uh, can create relationship.
okay. Just relationship, yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Reza.
yes.
Yes. Next, Mr. Raka, is my voice here? Mr. Raka.
Hey, Diki.
Okay. Mr. Raka, please tell your about self.
Yeah, thank you, Diki, for the attention. Yes. Good morning, all my friends. My name is Raka Fauzan Hatami. You can call me Raka. I'm 27 years old, and since I was born until now, I live in Bandung. So a little story about my educational background. I graduated from a law degree in 2016 from the Parahyangan Catholic University. The people know Unpad.
For starters, why
Unpad is
don't
the
we start
most
your
is the one of
life?
the
What can you
most
actually do?
big campus in Bandung. And
Maybe,
then I took my master
maybe FCKs,
degree
or
in
what do you
business
learn
law
from here? Or what are
in
you
Pajajaran
maybe mentoring from
University.
someone?
You can call Unpad, yes, because
Maybe you can tell us that.
and I graduated in 2009. Currently, I teach at several universities that are collaborating with
Ini
CMU ICC to
cerita
the
tentang
program
keseharian
named
ngapain?
Independent Campus Learning
Isikis
Program.
ngapain? Udah
So you
mentoring
can
ya?
call MBKM, yes, Merdeka Belajar Kampus Merdeka, including Al Azhar University and Polytechnic Diksi Ganesha. I teach one course. This name is Skillset 21. Skillset 21 is a new course developed by CMU ICC and discuss our ability to adapt in today's fast-paced era and discuss, among others, our understanding of cyber ethics, internet law, and ITE law. Outside of the work I do, I really like listening music and watching movie. The music I listen is from is from various genres such as a pop punk, rock, jazz, and other. Besides that, I really like watching comedy movie and watching football. Watching activity make me calm and can take a break from very busy work activity. Especially watching football is really fun, especially when my favorite team wins the game. I think that's all from me. I'm sorry because my English skills is not good. It can be said it's very, very bad because I haven't spoken English in a long time. I hope that in this activity, all of my friends can help each other. Nice to meet you, to my friends. Thank you for the attention. Thank you, Diki.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Raka.
Yes.
And then, any question, guys? For Panji to Zila, or from Reza to Panji, maybe? Please. Mr. Raka, any question? And then about introduce. Okay.
Sorry, ini ngomongnya campur Inggris Indonesia ya. Jadi silakan kalian untuk saling ngobrol satu sama lain. Nanti saya mendengarkan. Nanti kalau ada pertanyaan, nanti akan saya juga bertanya juga, gitu. Dan juga akan menjawab juga. Silakan, Diki ya.
Iya Pak. Maybe Panji, any question?
I think not yet.
Yeah, Zila, please. Please tell your any question.
Okay, Mr. Raka, I was a student in Skillset 21. Pada tahun 2021 saya student Bapak.
Okay, nice to meet you, Nur Fazila. Last week we meet in Kalimantan Utara, yes?
Yes, Mr.
You internship in PT Pesona Khatulistiwa Nusantara ya? Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Nur Fazila.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Panji, what your hobby? I think we have the same hobby.
Okay, I will tell my hobby. My hobby is, I'll tell you my hobby. My hobby is playing game and watching anime, and I also like to learn about web programming. I have studied several programming languages such as PHP and JavaScript. And that is my hobby. Thank you.
Okay, Panji and Reza, same with I. He membership of the internship in the Siameo Kitab in Science. And then Reza and Zila from Kalimantan Utara atau North Kalimantan.
North Kalimantan.
North Kalimantan. Okay. Okay, any question again?
Okay, spoken to Reza, yes? Diki?
Ya, Pak.
Spoken to Reza ya? Speak
Yes.
to Reza. Little question from Reza. Reza,
Yes,
are you
please.
enjoy to live in North Kalimantan? After 1 week, you go to North Kalimantan. What do you feel about North Kalimantan after 1 week stay in this place?
North Kalimantan is good. Like my food is
Maybe change in the weather. Maybe.
food. very delicious.
Mungkin itu saja, Pak. Apakah bisa? Ya.
Ya, ini campur Inggris Indonesia aja ya.
Ya,
karena kita juga belum terlalu fasih ya, inilah makanya fungsi belajar bahasa Inggris ya gitu. Saya juga disuruh ikut gitu ya, memperlancar juga bahasa Inggris saya karena udah lama banget gitu ya nggak belajar bahasa Inggris gitu. Jadi saya minta bantuan kalian juga ya, Diki, Panji, Reza, dan Nur Fazila ya gitu. Kita sama-sama belajar bahasa Inggris gitu. Kalau ada yang salah, kalau ada yang perlu dibenerin gitu, nah saling bantu satu sama lain gitu. Karena ini fungsi dari latihan ya gitu. Kita sebenarnya masih ada waktu sih sekitar 10 menit lagi. Mungkin kita maksimalin Diki ya. 5 menit deh. Mungkin kita bisa saling mengakrabkan diri gitu ya satu sama lain gitu, dan apapun lah gitu bahasa Inggris kalian gitu bisa dikoreksi pertanyaan apapun gitu. Nanti kalau benar atau salah nanti kita koreksi.
Oke, baik Pak.
5 menit lagi ya.
Ya Pak. Mungkin ada diskusi lain tentang my skill, kenapa yang kita punya. Silahkan ceritakan tentang skill kita yang kita punya.
Yes. What skill do you have? All of you, yes. What do you skill you have in your educational background? So tell me about your story about your skill yang kamu dapatkan ya gitu dari latar belakang pendidikan kamu gitu. Silakan mungkin Diki MC ya, Panji, Reza, dan Nur Fazila mungkin bisa bercerita, nanti Diki mungkin bisa menambahkan. Silakan.
Masih ada sampai 9:10 kalau mau ngomong.
Dari Panji dulu ya.
Okay. About my skill ya. My skill is in web programming, I think, because I have learned about it much, yeah, and I can in networking because I studied it in school, and I think that's it.
Okay, thank you, Panji. Next, Reza.
Reza, please tell your skill.
My skill background is a computer field because I study software engineering major, and I study majoring software engineering, and I focus.
Okay, maybe next Nur Fazila.
My skill that is to make a story in the book, and I will upload into my Wattpad account so the serious reader can read it.
Okay. Maybe Diki.
My skill is operate any equipment electricity, because I form a vocational high school of Surabaya in the majoring is electricity.
Okay. Yes. Nice to meet you guys. Banyak sekali ini ya apa namanya jurusan gitu ya. Dan mungkin sedikit menambahkan. Because my educational background is law, so I teach at several university, and we discuss about law, including ITE law, you know kan ITE law, internet technology and communication,
server.
And cyberspace in internet. because ethic in a cyberspace is more important. It's so important right now. So we must apa ya? Harus paham gitu ya. We must understanding about ethic cyberspace. So I hope your skill in your any educational background can help you to reach successful in next year or next future. Maybe that's it for me. Thank you for attention. Mungkin Diki bisa kita sudahi ya gitu. Mungkin besok kita akan belajar lagi mengenai tema yang baru ya.
Yeah.
So I know all of you. Thank you for attention. Thank you for story about your educational background and your background in family, in a school, and everything, and your hobby. So we can meet tomorrow to teach atau to story about culinary. Yes,
culinary.
Ya. Silakan Diki untuk ditutup.
Okay, guys, thank you for introduction yourself. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Thank you, Panji. Thank you, Reza. And then thank you, Mr. Raka and Zila. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Diki. Have a good day.
Okay.
Have a good day, guys.
Nice to meet you, guys.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.